Greeting. This is Mark. We're going to be looking at mastering basic computer skill, part 4, right? Very important. Inserting tables, inserting rows, inserting columns, deleting rows and columns, split cell, merge and center edit, and split the table. Very important. So this is what we're going to be looking at in mastering computer grade 4. Right? So the first thing that we wanted to do, definitely, we want to bring up the table. So when you bring up the table, definitely, exactly what will happen. Once I bring up this now, there's a blank, you're going to click on a blank. When you click on a blank, alright, it's something like this come up, you just come right here and just close it. Just like that, and notice this come up, you just press OK. Alright, when you see come up. Alright, so next thing that you wanted to do is insert tables. First thing you want to do, you notice all of these up here are tabs. So you want to click on the insert tab. So when you click on insert tab, you notice you see the word table, you're going to click right here, the little pointer. When you put your cursor over here, you notice right over here, you see table show up over here. Right, in a mode to put it on, you will see definitely show just like that. Good. So this is where you actually create tables. You put the cursor right yourself, press enter, get the next one again. You put it right here, so also get the next one. Very important right here. Right, so we're going to insert a different table. We're going to insert here. And notice right here says insert table. Alright, so you click on that. You notice you bring up this dialog box right here. But you notice dialog box can actually move up and down. Right? So what you're going to do, select here, you can come and select the row and the column just like that. Right? I can click right here to auto fit the content, auto fit the window, and then you can click word OK. Notice? Right, so this is exactly what you actually have each right here. Right, so we'll show a different set of table. You can actually insert again. When I click on insert back on the table, you notice a draw table. So I'm going to click right here. You notice it give me a little pencil right here. So I'm going to hold on the left side of the mouse or the touch bar. You're going to come like that. Notice you let it go like that. Good. You're going to come across like this. And go right up here with this. You make a mistake like that. Yes, so you're going to come like this. And you're going to come all the way here. You notice you're going to come right here again. Come all the way here. Right, and nice. You're going to put the cursor right here. You're going to come like that. You're going to put the cursor right here. Put it right up like that. This is where you can actually draw a table right here. So you can actually come like this. Draw a table. Right, very important. Scroll up some more. Right, so this is another way you can actually do that. Right, you want the next table. You're going to click right here and insert again. Go back to the table. But you notice right here, if you insert a quick table, right? Quick table right here. Right, if you notice, there are different types of table here. You can come right here to scroll down. You notice, you see different types of table. I'm going to select this one. Right, now let me scroll up that I can actually see. Right, good. Notice, in your event, you notice different tables. Very critical right here. Right, so look at this table right here. Right, so what I want to look at next is inserting rows. Right, so very important. So we're going to actually insert the rows here and go see inserting rows. Right, so we're going to go back now. Right, so first we want to insert a row above. So we're going to click control cursor, click inside here. In two ways you can actually insert a row. Right, when you click the cursor inside here, you're going to right click. When you right click, you notice you come all the way. So when you come up with this word insert, and you go across to your right, you notice right here is insert row above. Right, and it's insert row below. So click cursor above. Right, and notice give me an extra row. So I want to put one below. I can actually try this one. I'm going to right click. Right, I'm going to click on insert here, and you're going to come to below. Right, you notice it added different one here. Very important. All right, there's an you can add it. When you click on it, all right, if you notice right up here, you go here, so to this layout. Notice the table tool, click on layout. All right, and if you notice right up here, the above, down here, and then you can add the next one. So that's the second we can actually do that right here. Next thing we're going to be looking at inserting column. Right, so we're going to look at we're going to insert column. Right, you can click cursor right here in one of these column right here. Right, and if you notice right up here, it's the inserting column. Right, insert to the right. insert to the left, so go and insert to the right. Notice the other one right here, right? So for me now to add a different one now, what I'm going to do, this one now, run right click. So this is the text we can do it and come across. And notice it's set to the right here. That's exactly how you insert a column here, right? So next thing you want to do is to delete the row and column, right? So we're going to delete the row and column, right? So we're going to delete this one here. So what we want to do when you click inside here, then we're going to right click. When you right click, you notice come right here, say delete cell. So we're going to click right here. You notice this little box come up right here. We say shift cell up and shift cell to the left and delete the entire row and delete the entire column. So we want to click in the round box here, entire column, and when you finish, you press OK. Notice you want the column gone. Right, so if you click on it again, we're going to do it a different way. Notice you come right up here, where you say delete and a column and row, then you click right here. You notice it's a delete column, and there you go. And that's exactly how you do that. So I want to delete a row, right? What I wanted to do is click right here, right click again, you're going to go right here to delete cell. Right, you notice the entire row, you click right here, there you go. Right, want to do it again another way, you're going to come right up here, okay, I just say delete the row, there you go. So there's two ways you can actually do it here, right? It's a split cell, so we're gonna split the cell, right? So when I click right inside here, right, it says split the cell. So if you notice right up here, there's a split cell, so you want to click on that. When you click on that, this particular dialog box come up. So you can see the number of columns. So if I come right here, I can increase it or I can decrease it just like that. Right, and if I come like that, then when I finish, I press OK. Notice right here, split the cell. Right, very important. So this is how it actually split the cell right here. Yes, very important. Right, so let's go. Next one now, submerge and center the heading. Right, so we're going to put that heading right here. Right, so I'm going to write computer for my heading right here. Right. When I put computer for my heading, what I wanted to do is to merge and center. So what I want to do to block it come all the way down here. Notice when I block it all the way come down here, what I wanted to do is merge and center it. So what I want to do here, you can notice right here, it's a merge center right here. So I want to click it. You notice when I click it, you notice it merge. All the cell in one, but your is not center. You want to come over here. Notice over here you can actually center it. Notice this is center. Notice the word come all the way in the middle. Good. So this is the way I will merge and center as a very important here. Right. So the next thing you wanted to do here is to split the table. Yes, split the table. Right. So the first thing you want to do, so for instance, you want these two cells up here. So you want to split the table, click right here. Now when I click right here, if you notice right here, click on layout. So this is a split table. When I click it, you notice the table split. Yes. So important here. If you want to split table again, what you can do, you can simply click right here. Let me put an extra one here. Right. And put the extra one, all right. I'm going to split the table by clicking inside here. I'm going to come up here to split table. And this is exactly how you split table here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.